Yo, what's up family? In today's video, we are going to be unboxing a brand new Xlume badge that we just received from Fastys Garage. And this is the color shift unit. And this is a 392 badge. So basically the 392 is going to be illuminated in RGBW, which meaning you have a rainbow of colors. And it is a really awesome addition to the front end of your car, especially if you have the RGBW DRLs. So let's get off into today's video, guys, and unbox this brand new Xlume badge that we got from Fastys Garage. Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Ryan with Hemifam, back with another awesome, exciting video for you guys. And in today's video, it is going to be a really cool one. If you are like me, you love flashing lights and colors, whether it be in the DRLs, RGBW strips, lighting in your home. I love flashing colory lights and being able to control those lights via an app on your phone, etc. So today we have a really cool product. We just got the brand new Xlume badge, the 392 color shift from my good buddy Fred at Fastys Garage. I will put all his information in the video description. He is an awesome installer. They are a mod shop. They're in Texas. If you're looking for mods for your vehicle, custom lighting, Xlume badges, go to his shop, guys. And if you aren't local, you can give him a call and order online. I will put all his information in the video description so you can check that out. But like I said, guys, we have a brand new Xlume product that we just got. This is the 392 color shift Xlume badge. Right now we are just doing a unboxing. We may do a install later, just a very basic one. You do have to pull off the bumper, things of that nature. So like I said, it is about 115 degrees today. So if we get time, we'll put this baby on the car.
I don't know, I just woke up from a little nap. It's a little dark, but you guys silly? I'm still gonna send it.
But if not, just enjoy the unboxing for today. Smash the subscribe button so you do not miss the install if it is not included in today's video, guys. So we're going to unbox this bad boy as we speak, and I'm super excited to get this on the car. It comes with everything you need. There are different options as far as Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, things of that nature. So if you are not sure what you want in your badge, give Fred at Fastys Garage a call. Information in the video description. He will be more than happy to help you out and get you exactly what you need the first time. That way you're not waiting around and have a product you don't want. So first of all, this is going to be just some power wiring. You can tie it into the parking light of a vehicle, and this is going to be your ground, or you can plug it up directly to the positive cable. So again, this is going to be your power wiring. And now for the real fun, guys, the badge itself. Oh man, smells like new electronics. There she is. That awesome 392, guys. Badass. And as you can see, you get plenty of wiring to mount this bad boy. And here is the Bluetooth LED controller. that you're gonna need if you are gonna want to control this baby with your phone, etc. We got some awesome decals from Fastys Garage and a business card. Really awesome stuff. Let's pull this baby out of its packaging. This is the Bluetooth controller, which controls everything. The wiring here will go into this side that you see here, and the power wire will go into this side here, positive and negative. So we also got a really awesome Xlume keychain lanyard. So I mean, awesome stuff here, guys. The Xlume product, if you haven't seen them, are very cool products. They are Mopar licensed, so you can get the SRT, RT, Hellcat, Mopar. They even do custom ones. We are working with Fred from Fastys Garage on a custom badge as we speak, but this is just a awesome product, guys. I'm super excited to put this on the grill front end of my car. It is gonna go in the bottom grill, probably in the driver's side underneath the scat pack. So we are gonna have to pull the front bumper off, line it everything up. It does have awesome bolts and hardware. So, I mean, you can get that installed, no big deal. And it's the color shift. So you can control it with your iPhone and do a variety of colors, themes. I believe it even goes with music in your phone, so you can do a, bass light show, and you can tie them in with other lighting that you have, whether it be strips, DRLs, all that awesome stuff, guys. So again, this has been the 392 Xlume badge unboxing. So if you have been on the fence about Xlume, but just kind of like, well, I don't know what you get, how to order, it may take a long time. I ordered this like yesterday, okay? And here it is today. As long as Fred has it in stock, or he can call up Xlume and get it for you, it is gonna be like that, guys. He shipped it overnight parts from Japan.
More if we have to, overnight parts from Japan.
Because as you know, I totally hate waiting for anything that I order, whether that be light wrap, parts for the car. It's nothing super huge and ginormous, we shipped that baby overnight. So it came overnight all the way from Texas, and to unbox and install for all you awesome people. So with that, guys, we are gonna jump off into the heat and sweat it out, pull the bumper off, get this wired up, ready to go, and show you guys exactly what it looks like.
2 hours later.
All right, guys, so real quick here, when you are installing the Xlume badge, you will have to remove the front bumper first and foremost. I didn't dive into the bumper removal because it is very intricate, a lot of steps, but not very hard to do. And let me show you where we put the wire here. This is the power cable right here under the positive jump cable. The ground is bolted in right here. We have some of the wire harness in there. And let me see if you guys can see this or not, but we did mount the Bluetooth controller right here underneath that bar, thanks to the recommendation of Fred from Fastys Garage. Here is the cables going to the Xlume, the power cables here, and they then go underneath, down under here, zip tied to this wire here, and we tied them up to this bumper right here. As you can see, we got a few zip ties here, zip ties there. Now when you do install the badge, you are gonna need to leave yourself some slack I think we're gonna just be tucking it in right here, because the reason why, when you pull off your front bumper, obviously you need some slack, or as if it's too tight, you're not going to get your bumper off, and you're not going to be able to work on your car again or install anything else, whether that be RGBW headlights, another Xlume badge. So this looks like where we're going to put it. It may change during the final install, but like I said, just wanted to give you guys an idea of what the install is going to be like when you're doing this. Afterwards, there is a app that you can use. Again, the way this is installed is it is installed as its own separate, so you turn it on and off with this power. When it comes from the manufacturer, it will have a quick connect, which you can connect it to a parking light wire, and then the badge will come on every time you turn your lights on. But I wanted it on a separate circuit, so I can do this and have it on its own without burning out the badge here. And as you can see, it is color shifting like it should, and it looks pretty good. So now to put the bumper back on here, and she'll be good to go, guys. So again, this is the install of the Xlume badge. Real quick, obviously there's more steps pulling off the bumper, but this is how your install should be once you have the wiring and everything else good to go. So that's pretty much it, guys.
A few moments later.
Alrighty guys, the bumper has been back installed and the install is now complete. So let's take a look of what it looks like as it's doing its color shift. Awesome stuff, guys. I really do like the look of the 392 badge from Xlume. Huge shout out to Fred from Fastys Garage. But now it's doing its color shift right now, and it looks absolutely insane. Next will be the RGBW headlights, and we'll be ready to rock and roll, guys. But this thing looks absolutely awesome installed on the car. Letting everybody know that it is in fact the 392. Badass, you guys. So again, guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. Be sure to smash that subscribe button before you go so you do not miss all the awesome videos we have in store lined up for you guys. And I really appreciate all the subscribers, the viewers. We are almost to 10,000 subscribers, so be sure to subscribe and share this channel with a buddy of yours so they can learn and, you know, hopefully get some mod ideas for their Mopar. But a huge thank you to each and every one of you. Be sure you are subscribed, and as always, guys, we will see you in the next one. Peace.